Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will going to guide you how to upload projects on GitHub. If you are searching for a way to add your projects to GitHub repository, you are come to the right place. To upload your projects on GitHub, first of all, open your github.com in your computer web browser. I will just add GitHub account. Okay, once you are in the GitHub, just click your profile picture at the top corner of the screen. A drop down menu will going to appear. Select your repository from the drop down. Your you will see a green new button at the top right of this repository, guys. Just click this green new button. A new page will going to create new repository for your project, guys. Okay, just enter your project name or your project name in the repository name. Just I will enter Sudhakar Reddy portfolio portfolio. Okay, here you can add description about your project. Just I will skip this one, and here we can see you can choose whether your project will make them as private or public. I will keep it as public, and just scroll down, guys. Lastly, here click the create new repository. GitHub will redirect you to newly created repository. Now you can click here, create a new file or uploading an existing file. Just click here. Here you need to upload your project files and folders, guys. Okay, see, you can choose your files, or you can just drag and drop your here. Other end you can use this is a alternate way, guys. Okay, just you can choose your files. Here it will going to uh, choose as a files. Okay, just wait guys, wait. You can choose your file from your device. I just you can select manually files. Okay, after select, just click the open button. Your project will start uploading. It may take some times. If your files has large number, other end it will going to take only few seconds. Once uploaded, scroll down. Okay, scroll down the bottom and screen button will appear now. You can just commit changes. Okay, you are successfully uploaded your projects to your GitHub account. So this is how you can pull your projects on GitHub, guys. Okay, I hope you people are enjoyed with this video. If you are need any more information, please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.